Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miriam Okonkwo. If this is the first time of seeing this face and stopping by this channel, thank you so much for clicking the video. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. On this channel I make videos around beauty, lifestyle and vlogs. If those are videos you're interested in, then consider subscribing to my channel. Without any further ado, let's go straight into the video. A couple of weeks back, I actually got some filming equipment, and although I did like an unboxing and haul, but I didn't really go detail like into the video, into each of the equipment. So I plan on doing that for the major equipment like the soft boxes and the ring light, just because I feel that everybody will want to know how the ring light is, because I actually didn't really show it in that video. So long story short, I'll be doing a review of the Neweer soft box, and I want you guys to stick around so you would hear all my thoughts about it. So first thing first, before I got this, I did a lot of research. I went to Amazon, and of course, if you guys know, before I get anything, I do extensive research, not small research, extensive. So I did an extensive research on it, read like all the reviews in the review comment section. It was a bit pricey. I think it was $129 on Amazon. I'm not sure. If I find a link and a screenshot, I'll put it on the screen, and I'll also leave a link in the description bar so you can go check it out. Actually, it's always in the bar, so just go check it out. And yeah, let me just show you. It came in this very big box here, and it has Neweer written on it. Inside the box there were two brown boxes. So one contained like all the essentials, the charger, the battery charger and whatnot, but then the second one contained the tripod. So the tripod is here. One thing I would say about the tripod is that it's really sturdy. However, I don't like the fact that it's like metal. There are some that, like, I think my softbox is the ring light, the softbox tripod is not as noisy as this. I feel that this one, after a bit, to start rusting and then to become like, it won't be pretty, but in the meantime it looks good. It looks really sturdy. It's like very strong. It doesn't move once I set it up, and of course this is what it looks like. It also has 3 adjustable, or actually it's just 2, so it can go up, and it can go higher than this, but this is the length I like to leave it in, just because whenever I'm filming videos I'm always sitting, so the light should be on my face. Next, this is what the ring light looks like. Ooh, this could be a thumbnail. Okay, anyways, this is what the ring light looks like itself. It's the dimmable one, so although it has like removable reflectors, but this doesn't come in orange, so it's a dimmable one. So you basically just change the light from yellow to white here. So no, this is brightness, so you change it from high to low, and then change the, what is it called, the warmth from white to, I'll show you guys in a bit. Oh, let me do that now. So it also came with a plug, USB adapter. So you basically just plug it here and turn it on. So it comes on, and once it comes on, it's really bright. So what you want to do, there's also like a switch at the back here. So you turn it down to turn it off, and then turn it up to turn it on. And if you want it really bright, so you press this. So I want you guys to monitor the warmth. So you press this to make it bright. So right now it's at the maximum. If you want to reduce it, you just take it down. So this changes the brightness. This one beside the switch changes the brightness. So if you go anti-clockwise, it becomes dim. So that's what this is for. Comes back on to the highest, to the lowest, it goes off. So I had to put it back at maximum. Then this switch here is to change it from white light to orange light. So you basically just go anti-clockwise for warm, you go clockwise for warm and then anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise this way for white and then clockwise for warm. So let me just go clockwise so you can see. So this is white and then it has turned to, okay, maybe monitor my face and see it. So this is warm, this is white. You can see that my face just went blank. So if you turn it to warm, it brings warmth to my face back. So do the same thing. That's it. I'm just going to reduce the brightness. So that's with this. So it also came with a bag. It came with a bag, and inside, okay, so this is where I put the second box. So this is what the bag looks like. It's like your normal ring light bag. Like if you've ever owned a ring light, the only difference is that there's a net compartment here, so you can put like your tools. Maybe you guys can see it. Yeah. So that's the only difference with the one here and the one in Nigeria. So how do you turn it, open it? Yeah. So you open it this way. Once you open it, this is what you'd see. The battery, manuals, charger, what's not. So this is a warranty card. So this is another charger plug, just in case you're using an extension box that doesn't have the regular squared, straight tiny plug. So this is a round one for that. So there's a manual which I should probably read. I still haven't read it since that day, so make sure to read your manual. Yeah, next there's a phone holder, and so this ring light is great, especially if you want to start up and use your phone. So there's a phone holder which is like every other phone holder like this. So this is for landscape. So if you want to film landscape, you just stretch it and then pull your phone. If you want to film portrait, you just turn this. Once you turn it, this becomes flexible, and then you turn it back to horizontal. So this side becomes horizontal. So you just pull your phone, you stretch it like this and pull your phone, and you're filming. So let me just show you guys. So say I want to film for Instagram, IGTV or something. So what I just did was I put it here, and this is what it looks like. So I'm in portrait mode right now, and it looks great. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, so it looks great. Next is if you want to film landscape for YouTube, you just turn it like I showed you and then tighten it so it doesn't flip, and you just film and then you put it there. It also comes with a holder. I don't know where that is. It's like a small head that you connect to. Well, I can't find it. There's a round stuff where you put on the ring light, so you can put this. So this basically screws on there. Yeah. Oh yeah, and then this is the remote control, Bluetooth shutter remote control. I showed you guys how it's used on that video. So you basically just connect it to your phone and use it to take pictures. I find this very helpful. Even when I started newly, I found this really useful, like in terms of taking thumbnail pictures and whatnot to my phone. So next there's a small box, which is this, and inside it comes with two batteries. These are the two batteries, the battery charger and charging cord for the battery charger. It doesn't come with charger head though, just so you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this back. And that's with this. So the battery would ideally just come here, just in case you don't have any lights available where you are. You can use this to I don't know, film without any light source. So yeah, what do I have to say about it? I haven't used it for a while. I think it's very good. It's very large, so it exudes like a lot of light. You can see how large it is. Like literally, this is 18 inches. So this is where you put the phone, the phone holder thingy, and yeah, you just basically film like this. I like that it's dimmable. The last one I had in Lagos had orange reflectors and white reflectors, and that stuff was so stressful. Anytime I wanted like warmth, I'll have to start removing this, and it's stressful, and you never can fix it exactly, so you have to be banging and be praying that, oh God, please let it not go and break in my hand. But aside that, it's I definitely think it's a good buy. I do think it's a bit pricey, but you got to do what you got to do. So if you have two soft boxes, you can use that, but I just got this for extra light. And honestly, I think I actually, after from filming, I actually bought it for my makeup business. Like whenever I have like a makeup job, you know, just take the ring lights along with me. That was a major reason, not per filming, because I already have two soft boxes. But yeah, that's basically that with this one. The delivery took a while, though, I won't even lie. Like we ordered it, it took like 3 weeks, I think. 3 weeks, but the wait was definitely worth it. So I'm trying to so you just put it and then you screw and make sure that it's very tight. And one thing I would say about the ring light is that it's very sturdy. It's not as flimsy as my old one. It's strong, it feels really strong, and has like nice finishing, like on point. So this is what it looks like. Come into frame, baby, come. This is it. Yeah, I like it, honestly. I'm gonna put this close by because I was looking for it when I was filming earlier, and that's basically it. So if you're just starting out and you're looking for a really good light source, I would recommend this one, because even though I said it's pricey, it's actually like very affordable compared to like the others that I saw online. And for the quality, so there are different types. The reflector ones, the ones that come with orange reflector diffusers, I think those ones are cheaper, and I've used that one before, and honestly, comparing this with that one, this is a lot better. So maybe that's why it was 139. I'll confirm the price and put it on the screen. So yeah, but regardless, it's a good buy. It's dimmable, you can change into warm, you can change into white. It's really good and it's sturdy, so I would say it's a good buy. Go get yourself one. So I'm just going to put this back into the case it came in, and yeah, that's basically it. Let me know down below if you enjoyed today's video. Also let me know what lighting source you use. Do you use a ring light? Do you use a softbox? Oh, see, there was one time I was using lamps, so like reading lamps. Babe, you guys will not understand. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah,